Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to call eBay support but you don't know how? Either you have a problem or basically your account got lost or something that you have within your seller or buyer processor. So in that case, you will need to contact directly a support. But before that, you will need to actually go to ebay.com and get here to help and contact. Before they give you the access to any support or any call, you need first to see if your problem is actually one of the common problems that has been like created a solution in an article for it, so you can find the solution for it that has been already created, which is very simply by clicking on the search bar and writing down your problem that you are facing. For example, here, lost my order, didn't receive my order, for example, my order, here your eBay order number or something like that, contacts, returns item was received and refunds for buyer, for example. Here these articles are already made, so in case you are having these problems, you will not get the access at all for the support team. But in case you would like to get the access to the support team and you search here and you didn't find them, try to use these first so you could get a criteria exactly, so you can get exactly what problem you have. For example, if you are buying, then go for buying, seller for selling, account problems like password or trying to change something within your account, banned account or something like that, you can go to account, and other services as well, you could go to them. In case every single thing of this doesn't work, then simply you have to click on contact us. Here you have to click on this button, they will take you here for further informations, and once you are done, they will give you a date and an hour, so you could have either a meeting or you can simply just text each other on a private text or send each other's emails. And yeah, that is simply it. Thank you guys a lot and see you guys in the next video.